Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our window switch. To get started, we're going to come over to the driver's door with our trim tool, and we're going to come underneath the forward area of this trim piece. Once it's popped up, slide it forward. That releases this hook from underneath here, and then we can turn this over and start relieving the wiring. To do that, I'm just going to squeeze on this little blue tab right in the center right there, and then I'll draw this down and out. Anytime you remove any electrical wiring, inspect it. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and needs to be dealt with. This one looks fine, so I'll set it aside. Let's continue on to doing this one as well. Squeeze on that center tab and then pull it off of there. Perfect. Now the next thing we need to do to remove the switch from this unit is to go ahead and get underneath these tabs with a pocket screwdriver. Once you get under, you can draw this out and away. Looking at the trim piece, you can tell that it has some rectangles that are carved out. That's where the locking tabs are going to be for this. So I'm just going to go ahead with my pocket screwdriver, slide under there, gently pry, and start pulling it away. There we are. There's half of it. Now we can turn it over and do the same to the other side. Grab your switch and remove it. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new window switch. Now when you do this, obviously you want to line it up with the corresponding holes, just like that. Then of course you can see where those tabs are going to line up with the rectangles. Once they're lined up, just carefully squeeze this in. You should hear it lock in, and then press on all the buttons just to ensure that it doesn't pop out. You definitely don't want this popping out while you're trying to function your windows driving down the road. Now it's going to be time to get our wiring back on here. The gray is going to go towards here. Push it in, listen for a click, and give it a nice tug. We'll do the same for the blue. All right. Now we're just going to line this up. We've got our little tab here. That's going to come underneath this area. So I'll bring it right under. We'll line it up and then press it down. Okay friends, what's left to do now? Go ahead and put your key in the on position and test all of your windows. Make sure they function properly.